Knowing what the problem is and knowing how to solve that problem are two totally different sets of skills. Understanding how to resolve your production problems in a standardized and efficient manner will take your smart factory implementation to the next level. Hi, I'm Eric Whitley, Account Director here at L2L, and welcome to this Chalk Talk video series on the 5 essentials of a smart factory. Since the beginning of business itself, there have always been problems to solve and processes to improve. It could even be argued that the very nature of a company is to solve these problems. So what makes a company successful is its ability to resolve these problems quickly and efficiently. Having a robust and effective resolution structure in place allows for repeatable, rapid implementation on your way to becoming a smart factory. When organizations have the correct protocols, processes, and dare I say software in place, their ability to quickly move through the plan, do, check, act methodology is what puts their smart factory implementation on the fast track to success. As mentioned in previous videos, focusing priorities on the right areas, lines, and machines to improve is key. But having a good resolution structure in place that everyone has access to and uses on a daily basis is the real secret sauce. Deploying a resolution structure that includes using trustworthy data to understand current conditions, establishing a problem-solving method like PDCA to identify the problems, implementing the right smart factory technology to measure and improve the process, and following up on the data to verify your results should be the foundation of a resolution structure within your business. This standardized approach to implementation of your smart factory will save time, money, and resources and help your company avoid the pitfalls found most often with companies who attempt blanket implementation of smart factory technology with no regard to focus and problem resolution. If you want to learn more about the smart factory, check out our other videos on the 5 essentials of the smart factory, or go to L2L.com and download our free ebook on a smarter approach to the smart factory. And thanks for watching.